Hey guys, welcome back to my video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube channel intro. So today I'm going to show you which type of intro I'm making in this video. So this is the intro. Let's play and show you how to make this type of intro for the YouTube channel. Here you can see. So this type of intro I'm making in this video. So let's go. I'm going to show you how to make this type of intro. You do not need the app is Intro Maker for YouTube. So you will download it and open it. Here you can see. So this is the intro. Here you can see. So you will open it. Let me open and show you. So I am opening clip on 1080p resolution. So let me play the intro and show you how to edit this. So first of all you will click on title timeline here and you're gonna type a title here. So my channel name is Hot Brain Boy, so I'm typing my channel name here and so done it, and here you can add the subtitles. So I'm gonna editing subtitles. My channel is related to gaming, so I am typing here the gaming and adjust it and click on done, and here I'm going to show you my channel intro is ready. So let's make one more intro in this video. So you're gonna open this intro also. So this is also the cool intro. So first of all I'm gonna show you the intro. So this is the intro here, and you will gonna type the title and subtitles here. So title is gaming here and done it, and you will also add the music. Here is a music option, sticker option. So I'm going clicking on music here, and this is the intro and this song. First of all let me show you. Here you can see. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. I will see you in my next video.